Okay, just got back from FedEx. It is Tuesday, March 8th, and this box is from Jennifer over at JB's Cresties. There should be 3 totally adorable little babies in here. Hopefully they're all still doing fine. This first one is Herbi. And it's beans and voila, baby. Nice and active right out of the deli cup. You can see all that pattern. Very, very beautiful little baby, and I'm hoping that it will only get better with age and that some of that creamy pattern on the belly will spread. Let's see how much you weigh. $5.4 grams. I know, nobody wants to stay in deli cups, but you have to be in there until we're done. I don't wanna. You stay in a deli cup. See how you like it. The next one in here is Dither. This is an Egon and Fuddrucker baby. I had to have it. Egon and Fuddrucker are 2 of my all-time favorites out of JB's collection. And this little adorable baby. Oh, you're so precious and tiny. It's been forever since I've had tiny babies. Come here. In. 3.7 grams. Come here, baby. I know. It's been a very chaotic day for you, hasn't it? Okay. You have to go in. Watch your tail. Thank you. Which means that our last baby in here should be Bale, who is a Pembrin and Ondine baby. And kind of an oddball because both of those parents are light, but Bale is nice and dark. And so I kind of could go either way with this one for my projects. I might try putting it into my creamsicles and seeing what happens there, or I might just keep it in with my tricolor project. Either way, I will be perfectly happy to keep this little baby here. Let's get a weight on you. You want to go on the scale? Go on. 4.7. Thank you, Jen, so much. I love my little babies, and I will make sure I send you lots of updates.